discuss about string in a brief manner. In the upcoming videos, we will try to cover this string in a detailed manner using programs and etc. So first, what is a string? So string is a sequence of characters. Sequence of characters in the sense, is suppose if your use case needs to handle sequence of characters, then you should use string data type. So string is the custom, string is a non-primitive data type. So this is important thing, point of interview, in interview point of view, string is a non-primitive data type. So for example, here rakesh is the data. If you want to handle this data, you need some special data type. So that special data type is called string. So yes, sequence of characters R and then A and then K and then E and then S and then H. So here some sequences follow, first R and then R, A and then K and then E. So whenever your use case needs to handle some sequence of characters, then you should use only string data type. So string data type is already created data type by the Java developers on behalf of us. We can directly use a string data type without any much efforts. So this is the second point. And then third point is immutable object. Immutable object in this sense, it cannot be changed. So once you form the string object, you cannot change the string data. So you can even if you are trying to change the data internally, what it does is it will try to create the new string objects like that. So that's why it's called immutable object. You cannot change it. It's called constant. And then there are two ways to create a string in Java. So first is string literal, and then the second method is using new keyword. So by using first method, the syntax is string, which means the keyword capital S string, which is a keyword, and then object name or reference name or variable name, test1 equal to double quotes. Inside double quotes you should specify the data. Inside double quotes I am specifying rakesh, which is the data, and then it should end with the semicolon. So this is the first approach, and this is the second approach, using new keyword. String, which is the keyword, capital S string, small characters, space, object name, variable name or reference name equal to new space string. Here also capital S string, open brace, close brace, inside double quotes you should specify the data, and it should end with semicolon. So these are the two ways by which we can create a string in Java. We will try to explore the differences between string literal and using new keyword in the upcoming video, which means the next video. So there are some technical differences between string literal and new keyword. You should pick the best approach for your use case. So it depends. So for some use cases string literal would be the best, for some use cases new keyword would be the best. So you should try to pick the best approach, best method to create a string based on your use case. So we will try to discuss about those things in detail manner in upcoming videos.